doesn't dream of long hair and that can be styled in a ponytail, a bun, or in simple waves easily? But considering our lifestyle, the dirt and the pollution, our long hair goals often seem unattainable. That is, unless you have a simple growth-boosting remedy up your sleeve. Today's video will show you how to use castor oil for hair growth. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Is castor oil good for hair growth? Castor oil is becoming a popular remedy for hair loss and a helpful ingredient for hair regrowth. On an average, your hair grows by about half an inch every month. With the regular use of castor oil, hair growth can be boosted by 3 to 5 times the usual rate. It not only spurs hair growth, but the hair also becomes noticeably thicker within a few months of use. Castor oil also can make your eyelashes and eyebrows longer and thicker. What type of castor oil should you use? There are 3 types of castor oil that are popularly used for hair care: organic castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and hydrogenated castor oil. While the castor seeds are originally from Africa, they made their way to Jamaica due to the slave trade. Benefits of castor oil for hair. Number 1. Controls hair fall. The ricinoleic acid present in castor oil improves blood circulation to your scalp. This in turn improves follicles and scalp health and reduces hair fall. It strengthens the roots of your hair by nourishing your scalp and providing protections against microbes. Number 2. Encourages hair regrowth. 90% of castor oil's nutritional content is made of ricinoleic acid. This, combined with the omega-6 and 9 fatty acids, and penetrates the hair shafts and roots and nourishes it, restoring its optimum health and boosting hair growth. Number 3. Treats dandruff. Dandruff is usually caused by an underlying issue such as an oily scalp or itchiness. The antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties of castor oil make it an effective treatment for battling dandruff. Ricinoleic acid is also known to balance the pH of the scalp, making it healthier and unfavorable environment for dandruff. Number 4. Reduces split ends. Castor oil serves in the damaged caps of keratin in the hair shaft, increases the tensile strength of the hair, making it less prone to splitting the breakage. Number 5. Thickened hair. Castor oil penetrates the outer layer of hair shaft. Other regrowth, reduced hair fall, make your hair thicker and stronger. How to use castor oil to combat hair loss? What you need: half cup of castor oil. Directions: take some oil in your palm and work it through your hair from the roots to tip, and massage well. Castor oil has a thicker density, which makes it difficult to wash it out. Hence, make sure that you do not use too much oil. Leave the oil in for a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes. You could also leave it in overnight. When you do it then consistency, it can be quite hard to wash up castor oil. You will need to shampoo multiple times to get rid of the oil, but this might work for some. Condition your hair with a commercial conditioner 30 minutes before you take a shower. Oil soot comes off easily. Once you wash your hair, towel, dry it, and avoid using any heat styling tools immediately. While your hair might feel moisturized, it will take a while before you see any results. This treatment works best on slightly damp hair. So, are you planning to use castor oil for hair growth? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.